Hello YouTube. Today I am going to tell you how to unsubscribe unwanted emails very easily. You can find manage subscriptions button here. This is the new features added by Google. So you can find manage subscriptions button. Click on it. Then you can find your subscriptions. There are many subscriptions there. For example, there are Facebooks, YouTube's, a lot of subscriptions. So if you need unsubscribe those subscriptions, spam mailings, you can easily unsubscribe here. So for examples, I want to unsubscribe this one, Cloud HQ. So then I can click on unsubscribe button. Okay, then unsubscribe, subscribe. Okay, friends, I think this will be very helpful for you. Very easily unsubscribes unwanted emails. Please try this methods. If you have any question regarding this one, please comment below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for next video.